10 Tips for Fast Weight Loss. Check out our 10 tips for fast weight loss if you want to lose a few pounds quickly. There's no need to starve yourself or go hungry. Simply be more aware of what you eat, reduce your intake of fat and sugar, and fill up with vegetables and fruit. Here's how. 1. Write down everything that you eat or drink that contains calories, even if it's just a splash of milk in your coffee. You don't need to count the calories. Simply writing everything down will help you to see when those sneaky high-calorie foods are creeping in and sabotaging your fast weight loss. 2. Make your own meals instead of relying on TV dinners and other packaged foods. Food manufacturers add salt and sugar to almost everything to make us want more and more. 3. Include at least 2 servings of vegetables in every main meal, not counting potatoes, or add a large salad with low-fat dressing. Aim to eat more green, leafy vegetables. Fresh vegetables will help you to feel full and satisfy your body's need for vitamins and minerals, reducing cravings. 4. Cut your fat intake in half. Since you're not eating packaged foods anymore, it's easy to do this. Measure the oil that you use for cooking and only use half as much. Spread butter very thinly. Switch to low-fat milk. Cut visible fat off meat before cooking, and don't eat the skin. 5. Have sweet treats containing sugar no more than 3 times a week. If you are a sugar addict, you may find this difficult at first, but you will soon have much more appreciation for the sweetness in fruits and vegetables, and fast weight loss may be your reward. 6. Indulge yourself with plenty of fresh fruit. Grapes, cherries, berries, apples, mangoes and bananas are delicious replacements for the unhealthy desserts that most of us eat. Try them chopped into low-fat sugar-free yogurt. 7. Try grated carrot for a snack. Mix in a chopped apple if you want. Grated carrot takes longer to eat than a whole carrot, and because of this, it's way more satisfying. 8. Choose food that you can chew, and eat it slowly, putting down your fork between bites. Go for brown rice instead of white, whole fruit instead of juice, chunks of whole foods in your soup. The added fiber will fill you up and help the body to eliminate waste, and the act of chewing will make you feel more satisfied with your meal. 9. Plan your meals and your shopping. Think ahead and make a list of what you will need, then stick to it. To make this easier, never go to the grocery store when you are hungry. Or order your shopping online for delivery. 10. When you eat, just eat. Sit at the table, even if it's just for a snack. Don't eat while doing something else at the same time, watching TV, driving, reading, checking email. If you eat with others, of course you may talk, but try to avoid bringing up heavy or contentious subjects at meals. Arguments are not good for anybody's digestion and won't help your fast weight loss.